Good morning, students. So, yesterday we will complete the regression equations. Today is closing the regression chapter. So, tomorrow onwards index numbers. So, remaining sums, the 15th sum and 16th sum are homework. 15th sum already yesterday I will explain, and 16th one. So here the number of the following data based on the 450 students are given from the for marks in the statistics and economics at a certain examination. Mean marks in the statistics x bar is equal to 40. Mean marks in economics y bar is equal to 48. Standard deviation of marks in statistics. Statistics అనేది x, economics is a y. Okay. So here the standard deviation in the marks of x, theta x is equal to 12. The variance of marks in economics is 256. Okay. Some of the products are deviations of the marks from their respective mean of 42075. So here the xy value are given, sigma xy value. This is the product of deviation, means after calculation of the x, small x and small y, and to multiply the x and y. That is the deviation of the marks from the respective mean 42075. Give the equation of two lines regression to estimate the average marks in the economics and candidates who obtain 50 marks in the students. Okay, this is the given problem. To calculate regression equations, right? So first we can calculate the regression equations both, and 18th one different sum. ఇక్కడ హింట్ ఇచ్చాడు, క్యాలిక్యులేట్ ఆర్ బై అప్లయింగ్ దిస్ ఫార్ములా. పర్టికులర్గా ఈ ఫార్ములానే తీసుకోమని చెప్తున్నాడు కాబట్టి మనం ఇదే తీసేస్తాం. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ టోటల్ స్టూడెంట్స్ 450 ఈజ్ అ ఎన్ వాల్యూ, ఎన్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 450. సో అన్ని ఐటమ్స్ ఇచ్చాడు, జస్ట్ మనకి వాటిని అప్లై చేస్తూ వాల్యూని క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ చేయాలి. x bar, y bar 40, 48, and variance is equal to under root of x. This is the formula. Variance is equal to under root of x. So ఇక్కడ మనకి variance of marks in economics. So variance of economics under root of 256 చేయాలి. మనకి డైరెక్ట్ మార్క్స్ ఇన్ ఎకనామిక్స్ అని ఇస్తే డైరెక్ట్ తీసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ సిగ్మా ఎక్స్ ఇచ్చాడు కానీ theta x is equal to 12, theta y is equal to under root of 256. So theta y is equal to how much? Under root of 256 is equal to 16. Okay, next sigma xy value is 4542075. Okay, next two regression equations calculation చేయమన్నారు. Okay, first one, regression equation x on y, x minus x bar r standard deviation of x by standard deviation of y into y minus y bar, right? So here x bar already you know that x minus x bar 40, r value values are given. Okay. To find out the r value first. R is equal to sigma xy by n sigma x into sigma y. Sigma xy 42075 by 450 into sigma x sigma y 12 into 16. The total value 42075 by this value is 864540. 0.48 is the r is equal to 0.48, right? Next, calculate the values x minus 40, 0.48 into theta x means 12 by 16, y minus 48, right? So here x minus 40, 0.48 into the value 0.75, y minus 48, right? X minus 40, same 0.48 into 0.075, 0.36 into y minus 48. X minus 40, 0.36y plus into minus 0.36 into 48, 17.28, right? So therefore x is equal to 0.36y minus 17.28 plus 40. So x is equal to 0.36y plus 22.72. This is the regression equation of x on y. Okay. Next, second one, regression equation y on x. Y minus y bar, r standard deviation of y by standard deviation of x into x minus x bar. So here y minus 48, 0.48 into 16 by 12, x minus 40, right? So here y minus 48 is equal to 0.48 into 1.33, x minus 40, right? So y minus 48, 0.48 into 1.33, 0.638 into x minus 40. Y minus 48 is equal to 0.638x minus 40 into 0.63 is equal to 25.25 52. Therefore, y is equal to 0.638x minus 25.52 plus 48. Therefore, y is equal to 0.638x plus 25 minus 48 is equal to 22.24. This is the y on x regression equations. Okay, 22.4. Okay, this is a calculation of if the x values is 50, then the y value is what అని అడిగాడు ఇక్కడ. So to substitute the equation number 2 లో x is equal to statistics is equal to x is equal to 50, then y equal to what? So y on x, y is equal to 0.638x plus 22.4. 0.638 into 50 plus 22.4 is equal to 54. Total value is 54. Okay, this is the y value. To substitute the statistics values in the regression of x on y, y on x, to find out the value of y on x value is equal to the next last one. This is the different, and 19th and 20th one is homework. Some more short bits are there. That is very regression coefficient. I will tell two. So remaining two are homework. Okay, 18th one, given below results are available from the partly destroyed the records of an analysis of correlation data. The variance of x is equal to 9. The regression equations మనకి ఇంత ముందుగా మనకి క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ అంతా చేసి మనం ఈ రిగ్రెషన్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసాం. కానీ ఇక్కడ మనకి ఆన్సర్ ఇచ్చాడు, ప్రాబ్లమ్ ని క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, హౌ టు క్యాలిక్యులేట్ ద regression equations on the basis of the above information to find out the mean and the x and y, correlation and coefficient of between x and y, and standard deviation of y. మనకి టోటల్ వాల్యూస్ ఇస్తే మనం ఈక్వేషన్ ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసాం. నౌ కానీ ఇక్కడ మనకి ఈక్వేషన్స్ ఇస్తే మీన్ వాల్యూ, స్టాండర్డ్ డీవియేషన్ వాల్యూ, కోరిలేషన్ వాల్యూ, ఆల్ ద వాల్యూస్ అని మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. How to find out the, this is more important point, problem, a difficult problem it is. So listen carefully. The given topic is variance of x is equal to 9. Variance की formula ఏంటి మనకి? variance is equal to under root of x. So here under root of 9 is equal to 3. The x is equal to 3. And next one, two regression equations. Number 1, 8x is equal minus 10y plus 64 is equal to 0. This is one. Next one, 40x is equal to minus 18y is equal to 240. This is 2. To calculate the median of x on y, to calculate the median on y on x, to calculate the standard deviation of y. Okay? So, how to calculate the median values and standard deviation values and correlation values. Right. First, we can take the in first equation number one is multiply with the 5 అనే నంబర్ తోటి మనము ఈ టోటల్ వాల్యూస్ ని మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. ఎందుకంటే ఓకే, సో టోటల్ వాల్యూని మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే మనకి వాల్యూస్ అనేది చేంజెస్ అవుతాయి. అప్పుడు మనకి ఈజీగా ఒక వాల్యూ కట్ అవుతుంది. సో ఇక్కడ మనకి 40x ఉంది, ఇక్కడ 8x ఉంది. ఈ టేబుల్లో ఏదో ఒక వేరియబుల్ 10y 18y ఏదో ఒక వేరియబుల్ కట్ అయ్యేటట్టుగా చూసుకోవాలి. సో ఇక్కడ మనం దీన్ని మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే 5 తోటి మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే 8 5 40. సో 40x 2 ఈక్వేషన్స్ మనము సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే మనకి సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ చేస్తే 40x క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుంది. ఓన్లీ y వాల్యూస్ అండ్ న్యూమరికల్ వాల్యూస్ ఆర్ రిమైనింగ్. సో దాంట్లో నుంచి మనం డ్రాగ్ చేస్తే రిమైనింగ్ y వాల్యూ అనేది ఫైండ్ అవుట్ అవుతుంది. రైట్. సో హియర్ into 5 8x into 40 g 4 5 40x 8x into 5 8 5 are 40 plus x ki x into x minus ki minus 5 10s are 50y plus 64 into 5 are 320 8 4s are 20, 8 6 are 30. Okay, is equal to 0. Right? This is equation number 1. Next, to substitute the equation number 40x minus 18y minus thing is equal to before this koste manaki 240 is equal to 0. Okay. Then again or 40x minus 18y minus 240 is equal to 0. Equation number 2. This is the equation number 2. To subtract the two equations, మనం సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ చేసేటప్పుడు కింద సింబల్స్ మారుతాయి. ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది, ప్లస్ ఉంటే మైనస్ వస్తుంది, మైనస్ ఉంటే ప్లస్. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ 40x minus 40x cancel. Okay, this is minus 50y. ఇక్కడ 18 plus 18y. How much? 20 32y minus 32y minus plus 240 minus 80. So ఇక్కడ సింబల్స్ మారాయి కాబట్టి ప్లస్ ఇంటూ ప్లస్ ప్లస్. ఓకే, 5 యాడ్ చేసుకోవాలి. 560 is equal to 0. Okay, therefore 32 minus y is equal to, ఇది మనకి ఈక్వేషన్. నెక్స్ట్ దీన్ని మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలంటే is equal to before ప్లస్ ఉంది, is equal to after minus 360. బిఫోర్ ఆఫ్టర్ మైనస్ ఉంటే మనం ఏం చేయాలి, y is equal to 560 divided by 3 to 32. Therefore y value is 17.5. right? So in equation number 1 is substitute the y value. మనకు y value వచ్చింది కదా, ఈక్వేషన్ నెంబర్ 1 లో y వాల్యూని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే మనకి x వాల్యూ అనేది ఫైండ్ అవుట్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, ఇన్ ఈక్వేషన్ 1 the y value is substituted y value 17.5 value, right? So in equation number 1 is substituted y value. So y is equal to 40x plus minus 50y plus 320 is the equation number 1. In equation number 1 లో మనం y value substitute చేయాలి. x minus 50 into 17.5 plus 320. Okay, 40x is equal to 50 into 17.5, 875 plus 320 is equal to 0. 40x is equal to minus 75 plus 320 minus 555 is the 555 is equal to 0. Therefore 40x is equal to minus costa plus. Before minus, after x is equal to 355 divided by 40. So x is equal to what? 13.87. This is the x value. The y value and x values are calculated. In the variance of x value is 3. Okay, and the equation 1 equation 1 the 8x plus 6y 10y plus 64 is equal to 0. 8x minus 10y plus 64 is equal to 0. Then the value of x and y regression equation, x on y regression equation, vxy is equal to r is equal to r into sigma x by sigma y, right? So here 10y is equal to 8x plus 64, 8x minus 10y plus 64 is equal to 0, right? So here minus 10y, 8x, 10y is equal to minus cos plus 8x remaining, 8x plus 64 is equal to 0, right? The x value y is equal to 8x by 10 plus 64 by 10 is equal to 0. So y is equal to 8 by 10 64 by 10 or 0, right? So equation 8x by 10 plus 64 is equal to 0. Then the regression equation 40x minus 18y is equal to 240. 40x plus 18y minus 240 is equal to 0. This is a regression equation of y on x on y. Okay. Next, byx. So 40x minus 18y 18 by 40. This is the formulation of R value. R into standard deviation of x, standard deviation of y values you are find out it. Then next one, 40x, second equation, bxy is equal to 40x, byx is equal to R standard deviation of y by standard deviation of x. Right? So 40 by 18 by 40. 18 by 40 minus 240 by 40 is equal to 0. Right? So this is the equation of the byx. Bxy and byx. So R is equal to, next then continue. So R is equal to under root of bxy into byx. Right? So bxy and byx, bx is equal to 8 by 10 plus 64 by 10 into 18 by 40 plus 240 by minus plus values 240 by 40. So here value R is equal to the total correlation value under root of 0.8 by 10 into 18 by 40. So under root of 0.8 into 0.45. Therefore under root of 0.636. So R is equal to 6. 0.6. This is the correlation value. Next, the y values are calculated. Bxy. Y value find out cheyamannadu kada. Okay, the y value is standard deviation of y value. X bar value 13.88 వచ్చింది, y value 17.8, R value correlation value is 0.6 and standard deviation of y value calculation చేయాలి. Theta y value, right? So how to calculate the y value? So in byx is equal to R into standard deviation of y by standard deviation of x, right? So here the R value is 0.45. Next, into standard deviation of y by standard deviation of x value is 3. So 0.3 into 0.45 into 3. So bx value ఇచ్చాడు మనకి ఇక్కడ r value byx value 0.8 is equal to 0.6. Okay, standard deviation value calculation. dyx value here 0.45 0.45 into 1.8 standard deviation. So therefore standard deviation of y is equal to 1.8 by 0. Okay, this is standard deviation of, this is the calculation of standard deviation value. This is important topic. Okay, so now the regression is completed. Some small problems and 2 regression sums are given over. This chapter is closed. The first unit is completed now today. So next class we will continue the second unit, right? Thank you, guys.